In today's video, guys, I will be showing to you a new play to earn game. Okay, so the pre-season sale will start tomorrow, actually, in the span of 1 day and 3 hours. And this game is called Monstarrior. So this is an NFT play to earn game developed also by a Vietnamese people out there. And before I start into this video, do not forget to subscribe into my channel for more daily updates like this. And if you are ready now, let's just start right away. Okay, so um, let's go back here. Monstarrior is uh, a play to earn game. Okay, so the instinct of rising to power and conquest has been nurtured deep inside every living thing inhabiting this world, regardless of whether they are humans, animals, or even God's heralds. Okay, so there are some packs that are going to be open. So let me just drink some water. First one is Manaslo pack. Second one is Anapur pack. The third one is Istora pack, Shishima pack. And of course, if you're going to look forward here, the higher packs that you're going to get, the better cards that you are actually going to get as well. So these cards that you will be able to retrieve after you got your own pack is something that you can use inside the game. Okay, so of course, the much more higher your cards are, the better, because what will happen here is that you are having more chances, or you are a lot more stronger than other people that has bought a smaller pack. And also the rarer card that you will have, the higher the price it will be into the market, because these cards are coming with limited quantities. Okay, so this is where the story begins. So even though the earth is not heavenly place for bad nurtured people, it is too challenging for good people to survive. So after spending numerous years on earth, the gods' heralds are fed up with their narrow land and little authority, and as the greed gets the better of them, the heralds start building strong armies to conquer new territories and become the sole ruler. Okay, so let's just go forward into this part over here, because this is the very important stuff that we need to tackle, and it is Monstarrior Whitepaper. So they are calling it Mon paper, but it is the same as Whitepaper. As you can see here, the average reading time is around 6 minutes, and this has been published since August 2021. Okay, so again, Monstarrior is a blockchain game, so players must collect a certain number of NFTs in order to win prizes, which is previously locked into a smart contract. So the heart of Monstarrior, however, is the clans in which players endeavor together for the greater good. Okay, so they will have a season. So the Monstarrior development team is continually looking for ways to make the most of players' experiences. For this reason, they designed 3 seasons. So each season will have its own level of difficulty. Okay, so this is the first season, which features 25 level 1 Monstarrior and Herald cards. Second season, progress to level 2. And the third season finally evolves to level 3 than ever. So the character takes the form of a human with super strength, but unless we do not see the full play to earn game, we won't have any idea that much about what's going to happen into this part as well. Okay, so let's go forward into the roadmap. So this is the exact roadmap of a Monstarrior NFT game. Okay, so they've already launched their airdrop campaign. They are already done there, and this quarter 4, they are looking to upgrade their PvE and PvP gameplay. Also, their Android and iOS version will be also up. There will be, the MOA token will be also introduced, and its staking system wherein you will be able to earn MOA while you are holding MOA. And there's a lot of things that are going to happen here, like Mon card level 2, Mon card level 3, develop even web game and mobile version cross-use, automatically generate card by AI system, and we can see that this is pretty much ambitious. But if you're going to look into their team, okay, let me just go back here, okay. So this is the team behind Monstarrior NFT. So Jian Tran is the project manager, Toa Pham is the head of communications, Loc Lam is the chief and technology officer, and Fu Hong is the chief gaming officer, which I think he is more like the development side, and also Tam Bing is from the art manager, which is probably the graphic designer, mainly graphic designer of this game as well. So they do have an official email and also an office, which is based on Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. Okay, so there are a lot of things that you can learn about this one. Okay, like their story, you can just open it into the other tab. So this is more like the lore. Okay, this is the lore, and every single game has to have a lore, because why? It gives a lot more what do you call that? It gives a lot more beauty into the game. It gives a lot more storyline. It makes it a lot more exciting for people to be able to join into this game, because lore actually just tells how the game are actually ending to. Okay, so this is a really thrilling stuff, and of course, if you are interested, okay, you can be able to go into their social media links. You can find it down below here. They do have a Discord, they do have a Telegram, they do also have a Medium. So Medium is actually what do you call that, a platform wherein you will be able to find a really latest news about the game as well, while Telegram is also good for those people who are having some questions about the game as well, which of course I will be showing to you real quick. So this is the official Telegram of Monstarrior. Okay, so let's just join the group right away here. The other one is the Twitter. So it is pretty much working the same as Medium, because they are releasing some updates there, and also the Discord. Okay, so you will be able to find everything. I will be putting all of the links as well into the description box below, so that you won't get lost on this. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome update, and see you on the next video.